I have to check that is there an egg or not. Look, she's not laid till now. I have to check another home. There is another one. I'm trying to check in. Look, is there another one already sitting. This one is also maybe late within few hours or not, I don't know. I have to check out few times later. They are following me because they need food, and I have only this food. Now I'm going to feed them. Look, oh my god, they are so angry. This one is what the sound. Look, they are eating. They are eating. They are also hungry. And this all of my another breed. Look at them. They are so hungry. I have nothing in this pot. Just few food, and they are also hungry. Look, I'm going to feeding them. I'm going to feeding them. Okay. Look at her. Look at her. She has 5 chicks. Only this left. Okay. Now leave. Go. Go back. Okay. My cock is already reached. Now I'm going to this so that my cock can eat, but unfortunately she's not allowed him. She's not allowed him to feed. That's why she running away from this place. Maybe you can see perfectly due to this is hot weather here. Too much hot. This is truly sunny day. Look. Okay. These eggs will be fertile. Okay. Because they just mating. That's why this egg will be fertile egg. And I'm going to some chicks. Do you know what the sign is this? This is the sign of laying eggs. This hen just is starting laying eggs. This one is another. This is my chicks. She has right now 5 chicks, and that's one. This one, she's singing. This one just leave her chicks few days ago, maybe 1 week, no, 5 days ago, and she's starting to laying eggs. Her chicks is there. There is 5 chicks. She just left them, and they are staying alone, and also they starting finding food. And now I'm going to see you. Look them. She has just 5 chicks right now, and their age is 2 months plus. She's coming again. Okay, so these chicks are within 3 months also she will leave them, and she will be start laying eggs. Look at this. Can you guess which breed is this? Look at this. I don't know which breed they are, If you know, you can comment on the video. Now I'm just telling you that I started this keeping chicks in 2017. From now I have 50 near 60 hen and chicks right now, but unfortunately I have only 2 cock in my backyard farm. And look, there is another one, and this hen has only 2 chicks. Look at this, they are just 1 month plus. Look, they all are taking food from my hand. I always give them like this food. Look, they are so happy. They all of my chicks are parents. Look at this, they are always happy because they are parenting. They want where they want to go, and that's why maybe they are so happy. Okay, let's have a look. I will leave these 2 chicks within few days because I need more eggs from her. Only 2 chicks there also. Look at this, my one of cock. Look, he is just near 5 months old, and this one is his mom. Look, there's all of my chickens around in this field. Look, I am leaving them because my another breed needs to feed. There, look, I'm going to leave them. They are start to eating, and she's coming again. Versus I don't want. I need to eat them. Okay, look, they're taking from my hand food. They are also scared because they are parents. I told you, I giving them food 2 times in a day. Look at this. Look at them. They are eating. Now I'm going to them rice. Look at this, I'm going to show you clearly. This is rice. She is eating from my hand, and she is maybe hungry too, because my feeding cost is too low, because they find food near the field everywhere. Look, there is scared from her. Look at this. Look at this. These all of my friends. And now I'm going to collecting eggs. So my 2 chickens are already setting to laying eggs. Now they are maybe laid already. Now I have to collect. Look, I'm giving them feed. Look, she always eat her. Look at this. This one has only these 2 chicks, and this one has 5 chicks right now. This one just leave her chicks within 7 days, and then she started laying eggs. Look at this. My all chicks are. This one is so ruddy. Look. This one is so angry. So angry. I'm going to see you. Look at this. They are nice curry. So viewers, no more today. Talk with another video. Bye bye.